Managing daily tasks, staying organized, and optimizing productivity can be a challenge. But what if you had a virtual assistant available 24/7 to help streamline your work and personal life? Well, that's exactly what ChatGPT can do. So, in this video, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT as a personal assistant to boost efficiency and simplify your workflow. And as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to maximize your productivity. Let's jump right in. Keeping track of deadlines, meetings, and appointments can get overwhelming. Now, ChatGPT can act as your scheduling assistant, helping you plan out your day efficiently. You can ask it to create structured to do lists, suggest time blocking techniques, or even plan out meetings based on availability. So, let's see how it works. Here's a specific prompt I'm going to send out right here. So, let's say I have a sorry about that, week ahead with 3 client meetings, a report due on Friday, and a doctor's appointment on Wednesday at 2 p.m. Can you create a structured daily schedule that prioritizes these tasks while including 30-minute breaks and an hour for exercise? Okay, so with this prompt, ChatGPT will then assess your needs and structure your week in a way that balances productivity and rest. So let's submit to this right about now. Okay, let's take a look at what it comes up with. All right, so here it is, Monday. Okay, client lunch and relaxation, and around lunchtime. All right, break time 3 to 3:30. Tuesday. Okay, here it is, another one, and there we go. Yep, Wednesday, doctor's appointment. Right there, 2 p.m. to 3:30. All right, down here. Thursday, report finalization, client follow-ups. All right. There we go. Friday, report due, final review of the report, 9 a.m. to 10:30. Okay, 11 to 12:30 p.m. Submit the report. Okay. And yep, here it is. Looks like a solid schedule, I must say. Let's scroll down one more time and yep, notice how it balances workload with wellness, just to ensure that we're not just productive but also mindful of our energy levels. Well, this is a great way to take control of your time without the stress of manual planning. See? Look at that. All right. Researching a topic can be time consuming, especially when sifting through multiple sources. Now, ChatGPT right here can assist you by summarizing key points, pulling relevant data, or even structuring your research into a well organized format. So, let's say you're researching for a topic on the impact of renewable energy on global markets. So, here's how ChatGPT can help. Here's my specific prompt right here. So I would ask ChatGPT, I'm writing a research paper on the impact of renewable energy on global markets and need a summary of recent studies from the past 5 years. Okay, that discuss economic growth, job creation, and environmental benefits. Can you provide an overview with key statistics and sources where I can find more details? Okay, so with this request right here, ChatGPT will then compile data and insights from available sources, thus giving you a head start on your research. Okay, let's see what it generates right over here. See, it's searching the web, and yep, automatically you get your information. And as you notice in each bullet point, yep, right here, look at that. It has a source And another one right here. It highlights, see it right there? And on the bottom right here, more sources here that ChatGPT has given you. Yep, as you can see, this summary is a fantastic starting point. As you'll see, not only the sources, economic growth, it's right here that was summarized like global perspective, China's investment, United Kingdom's growth, right over here with the statistics. Then another one, job creation, global employment, United States growth, future projections, another statistics right over here, and another one for environmental benefits, emission reductions, health improvements. Okay, so yep, it as you'll see, it highlights the core aspects of the topic itself that you are asking to ChatGPT, and it gives us a roadmap for further exploration, which leads us, once again, to the sources. See? This is an incredibly effective way to streamline research and focus on the most important details. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Whether you're writing professional emails, customer inquiries, or project proposals, well, ChatGPT can help you craft polished and well-structured messages. Instead of struggling with wording, let's see how ChatGPT can draft an email, for example, for let's say a professional inquiry about renewable energy partnerships. Okay, here's my prompt. Had to be more specific. Like, for example, I am the project manager at Green Tech Solutions, and we are exploring partnerships with renewable energy companies to collaborate on sustainable infrastructure projects. So, what I'll be asking to ChatGPT is, can you draft a formal email introducing our company, outlining our interest in collaboration, and requesting a virtual meeting next Wednesday or Thursday? The email should be professional yet approachable. Okay, so a well-structured email can make all the difference in professional communication. Now let's see how ChatGPT frames this inquiry. Okay, there we go. Here's the template. Not like much of a template. Yeah, you get the idea. Yep, here it is. As you can see right here, the subject, exploring partnership opportunities in sustainable infrastructure. You can put the recipient's name, recipient's company name. Yeah, it does kind of look like a template though. It's more so it has all the content with the wording structured well to be more professional to that recipient, even better. So, yep, and had to put the name, email, phone number. Yep. So this email hits all the right points. It's professional, clear, and invites collaboration without being too formal or distant. This is an excellent way to streamline professional communication and ensure that every email is well crafted. And there you have it, 3 powerful ways to use ChatGPT as your personal assistant. Whether it's organizing your schedule, streamlining research, or crafting professional emails, this AI tool right here can be a game changer. Try out these prompts and see how they work for you. Until next time, everybody, see you all next time.